Alright everybody, this is the fan that you have seen in that small clip and that picture. It's a hugger fan, as you can see, and this has been in my room since I was born, and it's most likely slightly older than me as well, and I like it, I do. But this fan is going to be replaced. And what is its replacement? This Hampton-based 60-inch, which I know what you're thinking. This fan is big, and it is, but surprisingly fits in my room. The limit from wall to fan was 2 feet, and this slightly surpasses by nearly 3 feet. And this is the second fan with a down rod in my house, as you can see. That's the down rod you get in the box. I know people are going to be disappointed after seeing this down rod and realizing it's not in there. But I mean, it's fine with me, really. And as I just said, this will be the second fan in the house with a down rod, as almost every fan in this house is a hugger fan. The one in the living room, 42-inch Harbor Breeze. The one in the dining room, 52-inch Hunter, which is also a hugger fan. I do like Hunter. I'm a big Hunter fan. Get it? But I got this, as I always wanted an industrial 3-bladed fan. This will be quite an install, and I will go over the 4-speed switch in just a second. Alright, now here's that 4-speed switch or control to the fan that will replace the toggle that is currently in the wall, and as you can see, this requires a Decora cover plate, and luckily this fan did come with one in the box. I'm actually quite happy about that. It is quite long, I'll say, on the back, so we have a little bit of fun squeezing the wires into the electrical box. That'll be fun. Really, that's all I have to say about this thing.